Yes, hi everyone, and welcome to our discussion of Book 1, Proposition 18 of Euclid's Elements. Proposition 18. In any triangle, the angle opposite the greater side is greater. So what is the intention here? So basically, we are celebrating another characteristic of a triangle, wherein the side of a triangle is directly proportional to the magnitude of the angle opposite to it. So here in Proposition 18, we further describe that the longer the side, the greater the magnitude of the angle is. So let us informally prove it by demonstrating the impact of the length of the side to the magnitude of the angle opposite to it. So let's perform this together. So we'll have line segment AB here, and then another line segment BC, and we form the side AC. And then please to observe that as we move point A and increase the length of side AC, we also increase the magnitude of line ABC here. And as we move point A to shorten line AC here, then we have decreased also the magnitude of the angle opposite to it. Okay, so there you go. We have informally proven and shown the truth and consistency of Proposition 18. Okay, so the side is indeed directly proportional to the magnitude of the angle opposite to it. So let's now delete first the figure here and discuss the formal proof of Euclid. So for the formal proof, we'll be making use of this figure. So we have triangle ABC here. Okay. And here are now the components of the proof. So yes, there would be the cutting off of the replicating of the line that has been shown at Proposition 3. And we will be joining 2 points to form a line. So that's at postulate 1. And at Proposition 16, we have an inequality between the exterior angle and the interior opposite angles. Okay, so we'll be making use of that parameter. And we also have Proposition 5. It's a parameter of an isosceles wherein the angles under the base of such isosceles triangle equal one another. So here are now the detailed steps of the proofs. The first one, the given. Okay, so we have a working hypothesis that would align to the proposition. So in this figure, we have the longest side AC greater than the side AB. And knowing that we are aligning to the proposition, then we can say that the angle opposite to the longer side AC, that's angle ABC here, is greater than the angle ACB, which is the angle opposite to the shorter side AB. So that's for step 1. Then step 2 for the construct. So we have point D along the line AC, and we will replicate AB and make it equal to line AD. So we have the equation AB is equal to AD. For step number 3, so we have the exterior angle ADB here. It is outside the triangle BDC. So that's an exterior angle, and it is greater than the interior opposite angle DCB here, or let's say angle ACB. Those angles are just the same. So the exterior angle ADB is greater than angle ACB. Now, knowing that side AB is equal to side AD, then we can say that the pair of angles opposite to those sides are also equal. So we can also say that angle ADB here is equal to angle ABB. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now we were going to combine two statements. This statement of equality, angle ABD, is equal to angle ADB, and the inequality ADB is greater than ACB. So we will substitute ADB with ABD, and we will derive or arrive to this new inequality. ADB is greater than ACB. So where is that in the figure? So here, ABD, this angle here, is greater than ACB. Now please do observe that ADB is just a part of a bigger angle ABC. And we have in our common notion that the whole is bigger than its part. So we can then say that ABC is greater than ABD. And yes, ABD is greater than ACB, right? So we can then say that the bigger angle ABC is much bigger than ACB. And just so happen that the bigger angle ABC is the angle opposite to the longest side AC. So we just have formally proven that angle ABC, being the angle opposite the longer side, is indeed greater than angle ACB here, which is the angle opposite the shorter side AB. Therefore, in any triangle, when one side like AC here is greater than the side AB here, the angles opposite to them would share the same inequality. Hence, angle ABC, which is the opposite of the longer side AC, is greater than the angle ACB, which is the angle opposite to the shorter side AB. So that concludes the discussion of Proposition 18. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you for watching and listening, and stay safe.